Yeah. So, one of the things I like to, first of all, Carr is a great partner to work with. They're extremely forward thinking when it comes to technology. They're always looking to improve property to property. And then once we've improved, how do we go back and make it consistent through the other properties? And I think one of the reasons that they've been so successful is because there's also a sense of consistency in design, that we do the same thing in each property throughout. And so all their property management, one of the things that happens in real estate, commercial real estate a lot, is property management teams move from buildings to buildings within portfolios. Positions become available, needs change, people who specialize in different things, ownerships change. And so it's very important to keep the technology consistent. So when you go to one of our Carr Properties buildings and you see a keypad, it's going to look very similar to the keypad at the last Carr Properties building you were at. It's going to operate very much the same way. And I think it's also important for retaining tenants. So when you have a tenant that's used to using an office space and then they need to maybe grow, or even if they have to condense and they have to look at another building, they're going to walk into the amenity space and see the same type of technology inside those amenity spaces and other Carr Properties buildings. So they're going to be at least able to keep them within the portfolio. So I think that's, extremely important with them as well. I think commercial real estate right now has really kind of come to terms with the technology that they need in their buildings. And, they're listening to their tenants. Their tenants are guiding the way to what the needs are in the marketplace. And there are some very successful groups out there that are doing it. Carr Properties, Altus is extremely. They're based out of the DC area. Has been extremely successful in leasing out spaces. Lerner, so